Today we're going to take a look at some of the Bluetooth features on the Garmin nuvi 3597LMTHD. Bluetooth is a feature that allows you to pair your GPS with a Bluetooth-enabled smartphone for hands-free calling and some other features as well. In order to pair the two devices, the first thing you're going to do is get to the Bluetooth settings on the GPS. From the main screen, press Settings in the lower right-hand corner, and then the fourth one down, which is Bluetooth. And here's our Bluetooth settings. The very first line says Enables Bluetooth Technology. Basically, you can turn Bluetooth on or off. The check mark is not there right now. We want to get that turned on, so just press that first line once. That will enable Bluetooth on the GPS. The second line down is Add Phone. We're actually going to come back to that in just a moment. The third line is friendly name, and what that is, when you pair your GPS with your phone, the friendly name is what the GPS is going to display on from your phone. So we can change that if you want. With the keypad here, you can give it your own name. I'll just leave it as it is for right now. Now we'll go back to that second one, Add Phone. That allows you to pair your GPS with a Bluetooth phone. So go ahead and press that, and it's going to tell you to make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on your phone, that it is visible and that it's going to be able to find another device. So make sure it's turned on. The two devices are going to try to find each other here, and it will appear in that list. So there's the very first one, P5000, and I'll hit OK on that. Depending on which one you're using, your phone may prompt you to agree to the Bluetooth connection as well. So just make sure that you're following along on both devices and agreeing when necessary. So now the two devices have paired. We can see their P5000 underneath phone, and we'll even go over to our phone here and check our devices and make sure that everything is okay from that end. And there's the nuvi, that same friendly name that we showed before. So the two devices are now paired up, and the next thing we're going to do is take a look at some of the different things you can do with your GPS and your phone paired together. The first thing we'll do is head back to the main menu. You can get there by holding down that arrow in the lower left-hand corner. Then from the bottom, select Apps. Scroll down in that list a little bit, and then select Phone. And here are some of our different options. First one is Phone Book. You can access your phone book while your GPS and your Bluetooth-enabled phone are paired together, and you can place a call just by pressing any one of the entries in your phone book. Next, we have Browse Categories. I'm actually going to skip that, come back to that in a second. Here we have Dial, and that will just bring up a keypad on the screen of your GPS. You can enter in a number manually and call it. And you also have Call History, and you can view last received, last dialed, and missed calls. So back to that Browse Categories. This is a very nice feature. Basically allows you to browse through the points of interest database and call any one of the points in there. So for example, here we have restaurants, and we'll select a category here. How about donuts? And then just select one from that list. How about Krispy Kreme? Now it brings you to this screen, and in order to call that location, you're going to press the three bars in the upper left-hand corner, and that will give you the option to call. There's another way you can basically do the same thing, and that's rather than through the apps, if you're just browsing through the points of interest, if you go Where To and then Categories, but you also have restaurants and shopping, but any one of those, we'll start from Categories here, and we'll go Shopping, and how about Computers and Electronics? And if you're just browsing through, you're looking for a place to go, and you want to call them with a question, you can select, and then you have Routes, I for Information, and Go. Press the I, and that's going to bring you to the same screen we were on before. And again, you have those three bars in the upper left-hand corner, and you can use that to place a call to this location. One last thing I want to show you with the Bluetooth feature is how you can use it in conjunction with the voice recognition feature on this GPS. The default to wake up that feature is, of course, Voice Command.
Say a command.
Phone.
Select a phone menu item.
Dial number.
Dial what number?
And from here you can either speak a number or you can use the keyboard and enter in the number yourself. Phone book.
What contact would you like to call?
GPS City.
Calling GPS City toll-free.
Cancel.
What contact would you like to call?
Back.
Select a phone menu item.
Call history.
Select Select a call history log.
Back.
Select a phone menu item.
Exit. So that is a quick look at the Bluetooth features on the Garmin nuvi 3597 LMTHD.